Hi, this is Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and today we're going to be connecting the dots. This is an easy way for you to tell which way the trend is, and I think you'll be surprised at some of the results. So let's begin. The program we have in front of us is connecting the dots, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do this very quickly, and you'll see basically I maybe miss a couple of dots, but the important thing is you get the overall picture of a market's trend by connecting the dots. And we're doing this on a weekly basis. It really helps to have this on a weekly basis because then you can clearly see the trends. It also tells you what traders are comfortable going home with. So connecting the dots makes sense as it shows you the trend. So the market we're looking at, this is the NASDAQ, and as you can see the trend is clearly down as we have lower highs and lower lows. Now we can actually put the lines in with Market Club very easily, but you get the idea. It's very simple, but it gives you a very simple look at the market, the pure market, and what's going on. As you see, that does not look very bullish as we're doing this on the 4th of December, and we still see the trend as being down. This market would have to do some quite amazing things to reverse that trend at the moment. The market's closing up or down for the week. It gives you a strong indication of what traders are willing to go home with for the weekend. If it's closing like this, they'd probably want to go home short this market. Now we're going to be looking at a couple of other markets just to get a feel for connecting the dots. And I know it sounds simple, but the reality is sometimes the simplest things work the best. So that's what we'd have to have. We'd have to have a close over those two highs to really get this trend reversed to the upside. Now the next market we're looking at is completely different. So we're going to connect the dots and show you what it means. This market looks like it's going pretty much sideways, and then there's a little blip, and there's another little blip, and there's the final blip that makes this market get into a bull trend. You can see these dots that keep getting higher. We maybe run out of gas yet, but it's too early to tell. The market we're looking at right now is the dollar index, and as you can see, just as NASDAQ rather and the Dow and S&P have all been in negative trends, the dollar index is actually been going higher, which does show you a clear trend. So we're looking at the weekly trends. We like to look at the weekly charts and connect the dots. It gives you a very clear picture as to a market's trend, whether it be up or down. Now the next market we're looking at is we're going to connect the dots, and we're going to look at this a little closely. So let's begin. And as you can see, it looks as though it's going down. It's a pretty big pullback. We're doing this since the beginning of June, and you can see where we stand now. We had a little rally, we've come back down. Does anybody know which market this is? This is the gold market, which has been incredibly difficult this year, simply because of it has not acted in a regular fashion. I think I can say that on behalf of a lot of traders. But as you scope this out further, and you can see, I'm going to cheat a little bit here, and there's the lines. You can see it still had a pretty good run-up on the upside. This is the first pullback we've seen, which may be just a pullback in a bigger, larger context. But for the moment, the gold market has more or less in a sideways trading range, and we expect that to obviously break out somewhere along the line here to the upside. That would be our guess, but potentially it has to close over the 820 level to really get there, at least for this time frame. Then obviously the 880 level. If we take out the 820 level, then I think we've got something pretty positive on the upside that's going to take us to the 880 level and beyond. So again, it's the weekly charts we look at, connect the dots. We found that to be a great way to look at the markets and to see what everyone's comfortable going home with for the weekend. Hey, this is Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Remember, connect the dots and make life simple for yourself. I'll see you on the web.